What's up, everyone? Today we are going to be making a C# tutorial on something that I do not know yet. And we're going to do it in the .NET framework on C#. Yeah. Yeah, we are. Alright, so put one, because I'm going to know I'm going to mess up. And let's just create a new project, simple. Um, Alright, so, I'm going to teach you the basics of C#. Alright, so, the most simple thing you can do is the console thing, like writing out to the console. So typically you don't have any of these, so you have to type in system.console.write line to type anything out. And whenever we start this, it'll run. See, look, I have this. Yeah, oh no, it doesn't run. Hold up, I forgot to add something. System.console.readline. Yeah, but you see, I have my what's it called over, like, on my other monitor, my my output, my thing, my error list. Anything that I need over there, it's over there. Oh well, not right now. There we go. But now it'll go to the console, but we want this back, so we don't have to type in the system.console. We can just type in console.writeline, and it'll actually work. So, yeah, that's how you do the console.writeline. And the other thing you need to know is the data types, the variables. The most simple ones are strings, a string, and nope, I'm not gonna string, int, boolean, floats, like stuff like that. And so how you call one of these or make one is you write down the data type you want to make, you give it a name, so name, and you give it something to equal to. So what we are going to equal to hello world. And the reason this yellow line is there is because we haven't called it yet. And the thing is, for C#, your variable, your string, your data type or variable has to be like a head. Like, you can't have this up here with it. So yeah, see, it doesn't work. This most likely won't work. Yeah, it's not working. So, and so it has to be down here for it to work. So whenever we type this in, or run this, it'll say hello world for us, and this makes it easier for the program to, and easier on you to run stuff or write stuff. You can do this for ints num equals 69. Then we go down here, write none, and it'll write 69 here. A boolean is known as bool. Let's give this a name, true or false, equals false. Oh yeah, we can't do that. Oh, fuck. True or false. That'll be it. So true or false, and then TRF. So TRF. And whenever we write this down or do this, run it, it'll say false. So another thing you can do is you can like do math. So, but you don't need to create a variable unless you want to. Which you will need to if you want to make a calculator or something. So let's just do 12 plus 12. And this will give us 24. Yeah. Now, it's pretty cool. See, hold up. See, we go up here and we make int 1 equals 24. Or not 12. And then we got int 2 equals 12. And we do int 1 plus int 2. It's the same thing, which this was actually more complicated than just writing it out. So, see, doing that is not always the best. There's another thing that we need to learn how to do. Oh, there's also something called a character, which is like a single like letter. So we'll call this one A, and it'll equal to F. No, not false. Wait. And for a character, you have to do single quotes. There you go. Now you have your character. Console.writeLine A. And it'll like do F. And you can make a type of string with this using an array, which is cool. Yeah, just cool. You do that in C, or yeah, C. So another thing that you can learn how to do is taking an input. So what you want to do is do console.write. Write well as the person to type an input. So let's do how old are you? And this will hold up. See, this will allow us to actually write an input. But what you need to do is you need to bring this up here. No. I'm special, sorry guys. Mother trucker. Alright. So what we want to do is we want to make a string. We want to say string, and we want to give this a name, so let's just give it age. And then that. And then how you take input is this is actually taking input. And to print out this input, you just do console write line, and you print out the age. That's the variable that we made. Sorry, I couldn't speak. And so this is pretty simple stuff. It's not as complex as C, C++, or something like that. Because you have to, yeah. Oh yeah, this is a simple C++ taking an input. Because whenever we run this, it makes us give us a name. But if we type in 12, welcome 12, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And so whenever we do this, we type in, let's just type in 24. I'm not 24. Oh wait, I messed up. It crashed. Console.writeLine age. Yeah, that's right. So, oh wait, hold up. So what you want to do with this is, the reason it's crashing is because you have to do 2 int 2 equals int. Wait. So we want to do 2 and convert. So convert to int 32 console dot read line. Right. And this is how you convert a string Yeah, I was right. It was read line. And this is how you take a string. There's no error. And this is how you... Alright, bud. I'm about to cry. Equals 2 n... Alright, what's the issue? Yeah, you can. Look. 2int32. Console.writeLine. Did I do it wrong? Did I do it wrong? No, I didn't. Convert... Yes, dude. C... Look, dude. C sharp. Convert string to int. Yeah, I didn't do it wrong. I don't want to parse it. I don't need to parse it. Dude, I didn't do anything wrong, man. My vision's a little messed up right now. String age convert. There's only one place I know where to look. And that's... I don't know what the issue is. C sharp. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Line. Yeah, dude, there's nothing wrong with the line, man. Y equals... Oh, yeah, there is. That's the issue. Wait, no, it's not. There's nothing wrong with it, dude. There's no... This is piss and making me mad. Oh, yeah. I found the issue, everybody. I am special. Can't even do the tutorial, dude. There we go. I was getting sad for a second, so... 12. Oh, wait. I am... Riri. There we go. So, yeah, that was my issue that I was getting sad about. Yeah, so whenever we type in 12, it'll give us 12. Alright, so that's taking an input, basically. But if you wanted to take in a string, you wouldn't have to do this. You just do console.writeLine equals, and you would just do string, and let me just change this to name. Then we'll just keep it as age, because that's too complicated. Dude, my vision's bad right now. It's opening my eyes. It's logging. Alright, so, yeah, that's taking an input. That's gonna be it for today's episode 1. Let me know if you guys want me to continue this tutorial. If not, I'm sorry. It's okay. But if you want me to, yeah. Alright. Mucho gracias. Bye, guys.